work really hard to please everyone, and we just received some fantastic feedback from a happy reviewer telling us what a great job we did, and now we're happy to share it with you.
Although the part needed to repair the wife's tablet needed to be ordered, this team was eager to give assistance. With no competition in the area, this store will make a killing on digital surgery. Great service, location, and bring your wallet. Yeah, thanks, Sean.
So if you're looking for a company that really cares about serving others, backed by years of experience, we'd like to think we're the right business for you. Simply contact the number on your screen and reach out to us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.